Okay, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make curve shape bookshelf design. First of all, you have to make existing wall with this rotated rectangle like this, and you can give thickness around 150 millimeter, and then you have to push it up and until 3000 millimeter of the height. Okay, and then you have to make existing wall also something as usual. Then you have to give any thickness with push and pull and make it group, and then you can draw the basic shape of the curve bookshelf, something like this. You can use the line to make basic pattern of the bookshelf, right? Okay, you can follow this step, and then you have to make a curvy of each side with a 2-point arc. You can do this. You can do this 2-point arc, and then you can follow the step. You can make the smooth corner of each line connection, something like this, and then you can okay, and then you can okay, if you think the shape is not good enough, you can try to make the shape again with this simple basic line anyway. Okay, something like this. Then you have to make a 2-point arc again, something like this. You have to make a 2-point arc again, and okay, and then you can see it. And if you wanna add some more curvy side, you can just adjust this side of the line, of curvy line, like this. Then you can just erase some unnecessary of the line anyway. Then you can see it, and then you can push it to the front, something like this, and then just make it group, and then you can make horizontal simple shelf of the book anyway. You can draw a rectangle and just push it to the front, something, or maybe 350 millimeters only, and you can just make it group, and you can move it to another side as you want. Okay, and then you can adjust all of the shelf. You can adjust all of the shelf anyway, something like this. You can, and then you can press scale to extend each of the shelf, something like this, so you can see about a step anyway. You can use scale to extend or adjust the length of the bookshelf anyway. Okay, and then you can use interior material. It's a formica laminate light, and just you can use just white color in the horizontal cabinet for each horizontal cabinet, something like this. Then you can adjust the wall color if you wanna make some different of the wall. Okay, maybe something it would be more highlighted bookshelf anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you to make something interior object in SketchUp, and wait for my next videos. Thank you.